Hey, it's Gareth and Janet here, and the ship is right there. I can see the back of it through those palm trees. This is the Papeete Market in Papeete, Tahiti. So we're just going to take a little stroll through here. We're going to go around the outside first, and then go inside, which is right there. There's as much or more on the outside of this place as there is on the inside. Now they use like a Polynesian franc as their dollar, their currency, and it's 108 of theirs to 1 of ours approximately in April 2023. Right? So I don't know what it'll be when you come here. Notice there's jewelry, dresses, cloths, little dresses, big dresses, big cloths, pareu. So that would be about 15 US. They wrote it. So 1,500. So 2,000 is $20. Hey, they made it easy. Look at these. It is very humid here, and just strolling I'm dripping with sweat. So be prepared for that. It's like 82 degrees with 100% humidity, 90, I don't know, a lot. Very hot. Here's some jewelry. So Tahitian black pearl necklaces for 30, for 20, for 15, for 10. So I don't know a good Tahitian pearl from a bad one, but everybody's selling them. And I wouldn't know phony from real, or if they have to bother with phony, right? So it looks like there's more over there, but we're gonna go this way. And in the beginning here, it's a produce and fish market. See that? Fish. Looks like tuna there. Looks like tuna there. With flies on it. Snacks. So it's a big building, and there's shops up above on both sides. I see t-shirts, I see jewelry, I see art. I see bananas and watermelon. Garlic. So, like any other city, it has this marketplace. I mean, I'm sure they have indoor supermarkets. I'm thinking they do. I don't know. And then when you get down here, there's an escalator up and down. There's pigeon. There's an elevator here. Sushi. And then this place, you know, selling souvenirs. And I don't think any locals shop down here. Not for this, I don't know. They've got these weird 8-string ukuleles with solid bodies. Little tikis, $25, I'm guessing. Little dolphins, $25. That's honey, right? Yeah. I don't know, maybe it's French also. I think it's Spanish. Maybe it's French. So, lots of jewelry. Lots of ukuleles, lots of postcards. Lots of people. Of course, you got your bottle opener. Well, you know. It's like every country has those for some reason, except the US. Oh, look at this little ukulele. Let's check. Got some of these. $20 for the little guys. And then flowers. How do we get around these people? Flowers, 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 flowers. Did I say flowers? Roses. It smells good anyway. $20 for that arrangement, $25 for that. And clothes. Look at these Hawaiian shirts. They say Moana on them. Moana Fashion Tahiti. Cool, huh? Coolio. Let's avoid people as much as possible. No. $60? Hey, Janet. Hey, please. Anyway, so from Papeete, Tahiti, this is Gareth and Janet saying, see you in the next port, which by the way is Moorea for us. Bye.